try natin mag-invite.
Yan, try natin mag-invite. Sorry, we're 15 minutes late kasi we had a technical difficulties and ayan, thank you very much for viewing. So ayan ha.
Yan, dyan. Try mo yung viewers. Yan. Add viewers.
Viewer kasi hindi ano. So wag ano, add viewer to the broadcast. Here we have 4 viewers right now. And we're so wala talagang option to to add. Actually, we have a guest tonight or
Yes.
we're having technical difficulties. Gitry natin. I do apologize, buddy Christine Mulitas. We still can't we can still invite you. I'm not sure what's happening right now. Ayan. So, no result. Okay.
Ayaw talaga, no?
Ayaw talaga. So, maybe we need to
Ayan, habang nagte-testing tayo at para maipasok natin si Misty, na magbabati muna ako kay Heather Ramos. Good evening. And of course to Oni Sartin. Hi, tita. Good evening.
ha?
Okay. Ayan. Approve.
Ayan, approve.
Ayan. Hi, sana ito na.
Sana ito na.
Sana.
We're
Ayan
hoping na ito na.
Best, I'm so excited. Adding pa lang. Ayan. Kay Mabel Perez, good evening. Hello, Mare. Nagtatry lang kami kasi supposedly meron kami talagang guest for tonight.
Bear with us while we're connecting the
Yes, ang dami na kaagad nag-wave. Yes, good evening to each and everyone here. Okay.
magandang gabi. So please bear with us. Bali we're still waiting for our guests tonight. Nagko-connecting pa eh.
Yeah. Ayan na eh. Nakikita ko si Miss Tin. Alright.
Nag-a-add na. So, ayan na. Thank you very much. Ayan, may 16 viewers na tayo. Thank you very much for watching us. Please bear with us in a few moments kasi we're still connecting
Okay. Ang ganda naman ng ating ating background music. Yeah.
I hope na nag-connect na, but parang bigla na wala.
Oh, no answer daw from Miss Tin. Sorry guys, we're just here. Yes, happy birthday to Dr. Ian Tulyas. Doc Ian, happy birthday sa'yo. And of course, syempre, babatiin ko rin yung aking ka-office mate, si Miss Alpha Lutrania. Yeah, happy birthday. And of course, belated happy birthday sa aking uncle, si Iner Sartin.
And happy birthday din pala sa aking pinsan na si Shani
Anasyon.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Yeah, adding pa rin.
And happy birthday din sa aking ding pamangkin na si Kisea. So I hope you're watching there in Piña Francia. So I hope you enjoy.
Parang ang dami nagbe-birthday ngayon. Dapat
Ang dami nga eh.
dapat meron tayong dapat meron tayong matatanggap na delivery. Oo. Oo, na pagkain. Oo.
So, hoping na mag-add na, well, ayan, adding na yung ating guest.
No answers from this scene again. Okay.
What happened kaya?
Pahintay lang po guys, ha? No? It's actually our online gig for a cause. Yan po. So, sana maging okay na. Hello nga pala sa mga nag-wave po sa atin ngayong gabi.
Batiin po namin kayo tonight. So, isa-isain po yan ang ating assistant sa background.
Hindi kaya need na itik yung adding? Hindi
Hindi naman.
Okay. So, siguro mahina lang ang connection right now.
Siguro
maybe.
medyo mahina nga. Pero I hope na makakonect na.
Ayan, para may nakikita. Hello to Lani Estrada Fortuna and Magdamit. Ayan. Thank you po sa mga heart ninyo, heart comment. Yes. Kasi kanina, ang daming ang daming na nagwe-wave. Hindi muna namin kayo kaagad mababati kasi ang bilis. Mamaya po ang bati ha. Pasensya na po. Medyo nagkakaroon lang po kami ng problema ngayon.
Pero please bear with us, okay? And stay tuned, okay? We'll give you music in a short while.
Yes.
Okay.
Kung Beshi, actually, kayang-kaya kong gawin yan, Beshi. Oo. Kasi, inalis ko muna yung powers ko, Besh. Iniwan muna ako ng elastic man kaya pati yung powers ko.
Ang cute na attire mo today eh.
Ganun ba?
Hindi tayo mababangga.
Okay.
Pero hindi, in fairness, sa bagay sa'yo,
Ganun ba?
it brings out your young youth pala, sorry.
Yun talaga. Hinay lang, Bes, ingatan mo yung sasabihin mo, Bes.
Okay. So I think while we wait for Christine for our guest to connect, Christine Mulitas, I would like to welcome you all to our online concert gig, which is 50 Mo PPE Ko. So basically, this online concert is a concert for a cause, and yung mapoproceed ng online concert will go to our frontliners sa NCR and sa CAR region. It is spearheaded by my friend Christine Mulitas, which is in Baguio right now, and we're waiting for her to join tonight. Maraming salamat po sa pag-join tonight sa our online concert.
And Best J, hopefully kasama ba natin si Mr. Cesar Salcedo?
Yes, and hopefully I think hindi makaka-join si Sir Cesar Salcedo tonight, but I know he's watching. He's watching tonight, Sir Cesar Salcedo.
Hi, Mr. Cesar Salcedo, and of course to Mr. Noel Cabangon. Supposedly kasama rin sana natin ngayon, no? Sayang.
Okay, so
last week ba si Noel Cabangon is
ano bang pangalan ng anong pangalan ng nag-online concert din kagabi ba yan, or so nalimutan na, but ang ganda ng view, as in ang ganda, nasa Baguio siya, nasa top ng terrace niya eh. Pero ang ganda niya, promise, ang ganda niya. And yung mapoproceed nito is para sa PNP actually, kasi ang daming nagkakaroon ngayon ng case ng COVID.
Most especially sa part na CAR and NCR, di ba?
Oo. So ayun, I would like to invite you all to stay tuned, okay? And I heard na And balita na rin kasi 'di ba na MGCQ na tayo,
Yes.
and ang Metro Manila ay GCQ. Pero yung
Pero
Cebu,
nandun pa rin yung pag-iingat natin.
yes,
Hindi hindi lang ibig sabihin announce na MGCQ tayo lahat malaya na tayo sa lahat ng mga gusto natin. Ang taray. Malaya. Siyempre may limit pa rin. At nasa naman natin, kailangan nating mag-ingat talaga at hindi biro yung ating kinaharap na problema ngayon, which is yung COVID.
COVID-19. All right, so would you want to start that while we wait for Christine?
Oo.
Okay.
Yes. Ako muna, para po sa inyong lahat. Kay Sir Kiko. Sir Kiko, this is for you. Your requested song. And anyone who held you would tell me the way I feel like. Anyone who ever wanted you to try to tell you what I'm feeling inside. The only thing I ever wanted was the feeling that you ain't thinking. The only one who ever thought about, wait a minute, can't you see? And I wanna fall from the stars, into your lungs. I feel you. I hope you comprehend.
All right.
For the man who tried to hurt you, explaining the way I'm feeling, for all the jealousy I've caused you. There's a reason why I'm trying to hide. As for all the things you taught me, it sends my future into clearer dimensions. You never know how much you hurt me. Stay a minute, can't you see? And I wanna fall from the stars, straight into your lungs. I feel you, yeah. I hope you comprehend. Too many hearts are broken. Our lovers promise maybe can end a maybe. So many words are left unspoken. The silent voices driving me crazy. After all the pain you've caused me, making up could never be your intention. You'll never know how much it hurt me. Stay, can't you see? And I wanna fall from the stars, straight into your lungs. I feel you, yeah. I hope you comprehend. I wanna fall from the stars, straight into your lungs. I feel you, yeah. I hope you comprehend. Thank you very much. That was a song coming from Simply Red. Yan po. Okay.
And it's my turn.
It's for all of you.
Time check right now. It's 7:30.
Yeah.
Ikaw na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin, at sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo'y di magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit, ika'y lumalayo? Puso'y laging nasasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. Di ba nila alam, tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Kahit anong mangyari, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo pa rin. At kahit ano pa ang sabihin nila'y ikaw mang ako'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay Bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Umasa kang maghihintay ako kahit kailan, kahit na umabot mang ako'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay Bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang.
kantang yan.
May hugot lang, may hugot.
Okay, well, I'd like to proceed this next song.
Girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my life to you always.
A love like yours right. It must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be you and me. Hey, you're like the sun, chasing all the rain away. When you come around, you bring brighter days. You're the perfect one for me, and forever will be. And I will love you so for always.
Come with me, my sweet. Let's go make a family, and they will bring us joy for always.
Oh, I love you so. I can't find enough ways to let you know, but you can be sure I'm yours for always. And we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be you
Thank you very much. Yan po.
Alright. And
Ayos ba ang aming duet song? Okay po. Hello nga po pala sa walang humpay na nag-wave po sa amin ngayong gabi. Okay.
There were times when you come above and beyond. There were times when I feel your love around my baby. I'll never forget my baby.
All right. Come on, guys. You can sing with me. And let's do this. Oh, yeah. Janet Jackson.
There were times when I look above and beyond. There were times when I feel your arms around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby. When I feel like I don't belong to my friend, the words when you say, hey, it's about me, baby. Deeper inside my baby. Dream about us together again. What I want us together again, baby. I know we'll be together again, 'cause everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can be your star, shining down on me.
alright.
Woo! Ang saya-saya.
It's time to share again. Makes me wanna dance. Say it loud and proud. Oh, my love for you, always been a true, and you're something now above. I can't wait for you to wrap your wings around my baby, wrapping around my baby. Sometimes till you whisper and no one's pain, no worries will you ever see now, my baby. So happy, baby. Dreaming about us together again. Oh, no one is together again, baby. I know we'll be together again, 'cause everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me.
Oh, yeah.
I think kaya tayo hindi makita is naka-friends lang tayo, no? Hindi tayo naka-public.
Time to share again.
Public.
Makes me wanna dance. Say it loud and proud. There were times when I look above and beyond. There were times when I feel your love around me, baby. I never forget my baby. Wanna give yourself all you close tonight. In heaven we will be together, baby. Together again, my baby. Everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me. Everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me. This is a song coming from Janet Jackson. Yeah. Okay. Time check ulit tayo, Besh. It's 7:46 p.m.
And salamat pala for tuning in, Sir Cesar Salcedo.
Hi,
Hi.
Cesar. Yan.
And kay Boss
Finally.
Hazel Durante, thank you very much for watching.
Hello po, good evening.
By the way, Sir Cesar Salcedo, thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. And thank you rin kay Christine Molitas. For
And hopefully, sana next live ulit natin, sana makasama na natin ang ating dalawang...
ito sila.
Diba
si
talaga.
si Sir Cesar Salcedo and
Yes.
si Christine. And I think meron pa ako eh.
Meron pa?
Meron pa ako.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Ay, nako.
This is
Yan.
for actually
Isang requested song yan sa'yo,
I
Besh.
promise kasi to sing this song para sa aking pinsan.
Yeah.
Kay Shani.
Happy birthday once again, Shiny.
Hindi ko man maamin, ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin. Di ko man maisip, sa pagtulog ikaw ang panaginip. Malabo man ang aking pag-iisip, sana'y pakinggan mo ang sigaw nitong damdamin. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi batid. Aminin kong minsan ako'y manhid. Sana ay iyong naririnig. Sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabik. Ayoko sa iba, sa'yo ko hindi nagsasawa. Ano man ang iyong sabihin, umasa kang ito ay diringgin. Madalas man na parang aso at pusa giliw, sa piling mo ako ay masaya. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi batid. Aminin kong minsan ako'y manhid. Sana ay iyong naririnig. Sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabik.
Greetings din pala kay Carla Esteban Molitas, ang sister ni Buddy Christine Molitas and Kimberly Molitas.
Hello.
Pilit mang abutin ang mga tala, basta't sa akin huwag kang mawawala. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi batid. Aminin kong minsan ako'y manhid. Sana ay iyong naririnig. Sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabik. Pagkat ikaw lang ang nais makatabi. Malamig man o mainit ang gabi, nais ko sana iparating na ikaw lamang ang siyang aking
Thank you very much.
Alright,
Okay.
maraming salamat.
Napaka-senti.
I hope na-enjoy niyo yung music.
Na-enjoy nila yung promise. Okay. Time check ulit tayo. Time check.
It's 7:51. So,
Yeah.
greetings muna tayo sa ating mga listeners. Meron na ba tayo na list?
Ay, ang dami na, besh.
Mukhang
Oo.
ang dami.
Naipon sila. Naipon po.
Sorry naman.
Once again, pasensya na po at nagkaroon lang po kami ng difficulties
Kanina, we
while
started very
connecting
late.
our guest. Pero unfortunately, hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin si Miss Teen. Kaya siguro tayo na lang po
adding
muna.
pa rin,
no?
adding pa rin lang.
Okay.
Oo.
Alright, so
Ayun. So, ayan, nag-message si Buddy Christine Litas. This is a concert for our cause 50 mo PPE ko.
Yan.
Alright, so thank you very much. So, bati muna tayo.
Bati, okay.
Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Enya, ang aking mabait na pinsan, si Enya. And kay Adelio Barreto din, thank you very much for watching. And
Hi.
kay Kisea, so thank you very much for watching it. And happy birthday to you. And kay Lani, and kay Christy, kay Christy, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. And kay Mafe Castillo and kay Ate Joanne Bulahan.
Hi, Happy Joanne.
Thank you for watching. And again kay Sir Cesar Salcedo, thank you
Sir
for
Cesar.
watching. And maraming salamat at na-appreciate mo yung music namin tonight. And kay Boss Hazel Durante, ang lead ng Accenture Musicians Pool ng Accenture. And by the way, and congratulations din pala kasi we are having this online actually it's is a competition, a song competition din It's a Song of Hope na ginagawa ng mga Accenture employees. So
ganun ba?
it's
May nanalo na ba or wala?
wala pa. It will be draw siguro mga katapusan ng July or second
Okay.
week ng July, sorry. Yan.
And of course, ako naman. Parang ang dami to. Once again to Heather Ramos, kay Tita Oni Sartin, Mabel Perez, hi Mabel, and of course kay AJ P. Sartin, ang aking cousin. Kay Keats Mercado, hi Kito! Nagde-live na ulit ako. Yan. And of course, BJ Celso. Kay Juancho Tanyada, Cons Juancho Tanyada
Thank you very much for
Mercurio.
watching,
Yes.
Konsihal.
Okay. And of course, kay Miss Marie Cris Dasilio Morishita. Ang taray. And of course, kay Casey Lopez Haturay. Hi, Madam Casey. Okay. Si Winchell J. Of course. And of course, to Miss Beng Oliveras. Hi, Beng. Ito
Hey,
na ulit.
hello.
Okay. Kami. Okay. Madison Pilarca. Hi, Madi. And of course, to Raven Orlanda. Kay Sol de Aranas. Kay Mico Retardo. Anthony Villaruel. And Ali Cortez. Ang dami-dami nila. So, sana wala po kaming nakaligtaan. Okay? And of course, Besh,
Ayun.
i-explain natin yung yung team natin ngayon na 50 mo PPE ko.
Yeah.
Oo. Yes.
So basically, this is a online concert. Again, the 50 mo PPE ko. Yung proceeds nitong concert na to will go to sa mga PNP frontliners ng CAR region.
Okay.
So kung meron pong gusto mag-donate sa inyo na nag-watch,
50 pesos lang po.
50 pesos lang. Pwede kayo mag-donate. Pwede rin kung kakayanin nyo mas
Oo.
malaki, much better.
Much better.
Bali, we want to invite you to donate and contact Miss Christine Molitas. And actually co-host siya tonight pero hindi pa
Oh.
makakonect, adding pa rin. So
Until now.
ayun, until now. So bali kung meron kayong questions, information or any support na gustong ibigay, please contact Christine Molitas. Teka, pull out lang natin yung contact information. Sorry. Medyo nagbabuffer siya eh. Ayan.
Okay.
We'll provide the information siguro in a short while. So habang hinahanap ko yung ano.
At kung nais nyo po mag-donate, meron naman pong nakalagay below ng aming live
Oo.
video ngayon na mga bank account. May GCash din po kami.
May BPI and may
Yes,
BDO.
nandyan lang po.
So,
Wag po kayo mahihiyang mag-donate.
Mag-donate. Oo. So donate lang kayo para masuportahan natin ang mga frontliners natin sa Car Region.
Yeah, kung medyo nagtitipid po tayo pero gusto po natin tumulong, okay na po sa amin ng 50 pesos.
Yes.
Kaya po 50 mo, PPE ko.
Friend of mine, a rapper din, and sana na hindi ko kasi na pull out yung yung video or yung music mo. Maganda sana mai-present natin yung music mo na ginawa para sa frontliners. And para kay Irene Quijada, si Nanay. Thank you for watching, Irene, and kay Fudgy Bar. Ito yata yung kapatid ni Jessica Magtibay. Si Josephine Magtibay, I forgot yung
Kapatid nga ni Jessica.
and then si Divine.
Si
Andoy.
Tita Divine yan,
Si Tita
Andoy.
Divine Andoy.
Yes.
Nanay ni Cheryl ba?
Ah,
Cheryl Andoy ba? Tama. Ayan.
and
And si Joel.
Parkering.
ang
Yeah.
love of your life.
Yes.
Kinikilig naman to isang tao.
Biglang, ay!
So going back, meron naka-indicate na details ng bank below.
Yes.
So it's
Banggitin
BPI,
ba natin?
BDO, and GCash. We encourage you to donate para sa
Banggitin ba natin besyo
Ah,
number? Wag na.
wag na.
Basta basahin nyo na lang po. Nandyan lang po sa below of our live video. Tama ba, Besh?
Sa live video. So let's start again.
Let's proceed to
let's
our
pro-
next song. Meron. Okay. All right. I'd like to give you this. Ako pala ang kasunod.
Oo.
And I'd like to dedicate this song to Miss Christine. Kapangalan din ni Miss Christina Molitas. Okay. Christina lang daw po siya. Okay. Pang ano tayo ngayon?
Pang senti, oldie
Yeah,
but
oldie.
goodies.
Kay sarap ng may minamahal, ang daigdig ay may kulay at buhay. Kahit na may pagkukulang ka, isang halik mo lang limot ko na. Kay sarap ng may minamahal, saan mo